Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Hello and thank you for contacting Marshall Skoda Nottingham. So here's our video walk around of our Skoda Kodiaq. This is the Edition model. The Edition gives you full leather interior with heated seats, front and rear parking sensors. This car's also got a panoramic sunroof and finished in the stunning Meteor grey special paintwork. The car also has a power tailgate with a release button just inside on the door here, and we've also got electrically folded heated mirrors, full leather seats with driver memory as well, start-stop functionality, and the upgraded Columbus satellite navigation system, which is all touchscreen and able to connect to smartphones using Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. For more information on this car or to arrange a test drive, please contact one of the sales team here at Marshall Skoda Nottingham on 0115 920 2355. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.